يا نبي سلام عليك، يا رسول سلام عليك، يا حبيب سلام عليك، صلوات الله عليك بها. Oh beloved Prophet, follow, light of Medina, guide our hearts today. Oh beloved Prophet, follow, show us the path, never let us stray.
From Makkah sands to Medina skies, your mercy shines, it never dies.
Ya Rasulallah, Bola, your love is true. Every heart beats in your light anew. Ya Nabi, salam alayka. Ya Rasul, salam alayka. Ya Habib, salam alayka. Salawatullah alayka diha.
Through every trial, through every pain, your blessed name brings peace again.
Ya Mustafa Shaban, our hearts are yours. Your mercy flows endless and pure.
Raise your hands and send your salam, oh Prophet, all your love is our call.
Hearts unite from near and far, guided forever by your shining star. Ya Nabi, salam alayka. Ya Rasul, salam alayka. Ya Habib, salam alayka. Salawatullah alayka bika.
Oh beloved Prophet, Shola, guide our hearts and show the way.
Oh beloved Prophet, show the light. Forever we send salam today.